Hey everybody, this is your girl Tammy. Welcome back to my channel. Yay! Well, today I'm coming to you to talk about skin cycling. I'm not sure if you heard about this rave that's going on right now, but I really wanted to bring it to you because I have been doing it, all right? I have been doing this faithfully for the last 4 weeks. And I just really wanted to talk to you guys about it. So let me tell you what skin cycling is. What you're doing is you're cycling through all of the products that you have. So say, for example, if you bought a bunch of products, there's so many products out there for us to purchase and use for our skin, for anti-aging, whatever it is that you are looking to change in your skin. There's so many things out there, so many choices. We go out, we purchase the products, but then we get home and do you use them? Do you use the product? So I'm going to show you what I've been doing and what skin cycling is, okay? So let's get into this right now. Every morning, like every day, every morning, cycle 1, we're going to call this, okay? This is what you are going to do. I'm going to show you the skincare products that I use personally for myself every day that's helping me with my skin looking healthier, getting more moisture in my skin and everything. So every morning you want to do cycle 1, and that's using a cleanser. The cleanser that I use here is my Timewise Repair foaming cleanser. I love this cleanser because it's not stripping my skin of its moisture. So I love this. So the cleanser. So I cleanse my face with this. And after I wash my face, I am using the C+ Resveratrol. And I really love the C+ Resveratrol because what this is going to do for me is it is helping my skin look healthier, younger, and it's also evening my complexion. So I love the C+ Resveratrol, okay? After I do that, I take my Value Firm lifting serum. Now, this lifting serum is like a push-up bra, okay? I'm telling you. This product, what it does is this area here and under the neck is where we begin to see a lot of aging, right? I have an issue with the lines coming right here. I mean, literally, you guys, I do not like these lines right here. And under my neck. And I know, don't get me wrong, I know I'm going to age. I'm 60 plus, okay? The girl's gonna age, all right? But this slows it down. It slows it down for me. And it lifts this area up and up under my neck. So I do that every morning, and then to protect my skin from the sun. So what do? I use a day cream that has SPF 30 in there. It's going to protect me from the sun. I love this product. I got to keep my hand away from this mic. But yeah, I use this product to help me protect my skin from the environmental damages that are outside. So I use this day cream. And the last thing I do in the morning is I make sure that I have an eye cream up under my eye area that's going to moisture that area. A lot of times we forget to moisturize under our eyes. It is so important that you have some type of eye cream to moisten that area. Okay, it's the thinnest layer of our face, which is the under eye area. So I do this every morning. So what you want to do is you're going to use a cleanser. I use my C Plus Resveratrol. Okay, I'm using my Value Firm Lifting Serum and my Day Moisturizer and my eye cream. Okay, my skin is protected from the sun. I'm using the anti-aging products that I need so that my skin can look a little bit more youthful. That's in the morning, every morning. That's what you're going to do. Okay, so the next thing you want to do on day one, the evening of day one, we are going to exfoliate. Okay, so whatever products you have, day one evening is exfoliating. So what do I do to exfoliate? So let me tell you the products that I use to exfoliate my skin. On cycle 1 night, okay, what you're going to do is always wash your face. So here's my cleanser. I'm going to wash my face with my Timewise Repair Value Firm Foaming Cleanser, okay? I'm going to use this product. Then wash my face, dry my face. Then I'm going to use an exfoliant. And the exfoliant that I use, Timewise Repair Revealing Radiance Facial Peel, is what I use to exfoliate. So what does this do for me? This product is going to go in the deeper layers of my skin to pull any dead skin cells that I have on my face off. Okay, so I use this product just once a week. It's recycled, so I do this. Okay, so this is my exfoliant. Now another exfoliant that you can use is a microdermabrasion, but I choose this product. I love this facial peel. Okay, so that's what I do. After I use the facial peel stays on my face for about 10 minutes. The facial peel will give you like a little tingling, and that's okay. The tingling is telling me the product is working. It's going down deeper into the layers of my skin so that it can even my complexion and remove those dead skin cells from my face. So the next product that I'm going to use, I'll wash that off after 10 minutes. I'm going to use my beautiful Value Firm Advanced Lifting Serum. I'm telling you, this right here does it. It does it for me. So I use this product again, like I told you before. I put it in this area and under my neck. I just really focus in those areas, okay? Then at night, I also use my Value Firm Night Treatment with Retinal. So this product right here is going to help relax my skin. It's going to restore that moisture in my skin. Also, we all know what retinol does, right? So this product is going to help my skin look youthful, has that retinol in there, and when I wake up that next morning, just keeps your skin looking radiant. Okay, so I use my night cream, and then always my eye cream. So that's what I'm doing on cycle 1 night. Okay, now we're going to talk about cycle day number 2, what you're going to do. Okay, at night, I said, so daytime you're going to use cycle 1 day all the time. You're going to do that every morning. Okay, now cycle 2 night changes up. Okay, so what do I do? Of course, you cleanse your skin with your cleanser, but then I am going to use pure retinol. I am going to use my Clinical Solutions Retinol 0.5. Now with this product, I only need a dime size of that product. And what I do is I put it on the palm of my hand and I'll dab a little bit here on my cheek, on both sides of my cheeks and forehead and here, and avoiding the eye area, and gently rub that product all over my skin. Now, we all know that retinol can be very harsh for the skin. So if you are somebody that has never used a retinol treatment before, there is a process that I use with this clinical solutions process that I can give you some more information about. But we also have a facial milk that can help you with getting more moisture, or help with the moisture of the skin. But because my skin has already been retinalized, I don't need the facial milk, and I just put this on my face and I'm fine. But those of you who have never used retinol at all, I would recommend using the facial milk. But I love my 0.5 is pure retinol, only need a little bit of this. And that's what's helping with keeping my skin looking radiant, healthy, and younger. Okay. Now, after I do my retinol, and this is at night, not in the daytime. Okay. Not in the daytime. I am going to put my night cream on. I'm going to use my Value Firm night treatment. And remember, this has retinol in it as well, but not as potent as this one. Okay. I'll put this on my face. So that's going to help my body is relaxed. Okay. And of course, I am also going to use my eye cream on cycle 2 night. So now we're going to talk about cycle 3 evening. So what I do. Day 3 evening is all about hydrating. Okay. So of course, what you're going to do is you're going to cleanse. Yes, you're going to cleanse your face. And what I've been doing is I kind of switch off each week. I use my Timewise Lifting Biocellular Mask. Oh my God, this right here is so hydrating to your skin. I love it. Okay. Not only is it hydrating my skin, I found that it's lifting my skin and also brightening my skin up. So I kind of switch off with using this one, and I also use the moisturizing renewal gel as well. So I kind of switch off of the two of these because this one is giving the moisture that I need as well. And I also want to continue using this one because this one has a lot of hydration in there, a lot of moisture, and I just can't, it's like the best. Okay, you guys. And once I do that, after I moisturize with that, then kind of let it kind of sink into my skin, rub it all in. All right. Then I'll take my solutions, HA Ceramide. Oh my God. Put it on top. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. And I also hydrate my lips. I use our satin lip product. Let me show this to you here. So this is a sugar scrub, Mary Kay sugar scrub here, and then I use the balm, the shea butter balm on my lips because you want to make sure your lips are also being hydrated as well. And my eye cream at night. So remember, daytime, you always use the day 1 cycle that I told you earlier. But in the evening on cycle 3, it's all about hydrating your skin. Cycle 4 is all about restore. Okay, so we are restoring our skin. And all we're going to do on cycle 4 is wash our face with our cleanser. You are going to put on your night cream at night, and you are going to put on your eye cream on cycle 4, which is all about restore. Day 5 evening is restart cycle with day 5 evening is all about the restart, and you're going to restart with cycle day 1. So we're going to go over this again so you can kind of get an idea of what it was. Day 1, you're going to repeat each day. Same thing, okay? Day 1 evening is all about exfoliating. Day 2 evening is about the retinol. Day 3 evening is about hydrating. Day 4 evening is about restore. And day 5 evening is restart cycle day 1 evening. And it's just that simple, just that easy. You guys, this is what I've been doing, and I have seen a difference in my skin. Yes, I have seen a difference in my skin and everything, so give it a try. If you've already tried it, comment in the comment section. Tell me how it's going for you, because I'm definitely loving it, okay? And if you want the information of how to do this, let me know. I can send you some information of how to use the products each day so you can have it right in front of your face, because I know I'm talking about it and it's hard to follow sometimes when I'm talking about it, but if it's written down on a piece of paper, you can actually see what it is that I'm doing to make the changes in my skin. So if you enjoy what I talked to you about today, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, you guys. Bye-bye.